5 Best Humidifiers. Number 5. Livewad LV600HH. Can easily handle a bedroom and living room. Even the whole house. Sensitive touch control panel is easy to operate. Item weight, 4.92 pounds. The most suitable level. Features warm or cool mist at 3 different levels. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Honeywell HCM350W. 3-speed settings to adjust moisture output. Item weight, 9.55 pounds. Quiet operation is ideal for bedroom use. It is treated with Protect antimicrobial to ensure stated product performance. Runs up to 24 hours per filling on low setting. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Honeywell HUL570B. Variable moisture output settings. Ultra quiet operation. Rotating mist nozzle let you customize your comfort. At the sink or with a pitcher. Item weight, 5.5 pounds. 1.25 gallon tank allows up to 36 hours of operation. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Vornado Ultra 1. Up to 3.5 gallon output every 24 hours. 2 gallon tank capacity. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Refer user manual below. Item weight, 7 pounds. Electronic humidistat for automatic humidity control. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Tautronics Cool Mist Humidifier. Comes with a built-in timer, intuitive LED display. Ultrasonic air diffusion produces less. Rids it of microorganisms for odorless, pure air. The device does not double as an aroma diffuser. Item weight, 3.53 pounds. Microporous cartridge thoroughly filters the water. Please check the description for detail and price.